Itadala natin talent. But it's up to us kung saan na siya pag-develop. Now, we are all winners since ato mag-develop ang mga talents. Naalala siguro yung first, second, third. Pero ang importante niya is we are all able to measure how far ato na-develop itong talents. Now, kung dili kita may first, then naabay time na ato i-further develop natong talent para mo level up. So, bawal na siya itong message na keep it up, kids.
Thank you.